Welcome guys to Doug Wanders the Midwest. We're here in Auburn Hills, Michigan for the Rainforest Cafe. So we're gonna check out dinner, see what they got, and all the cool stuff that's inside. Alright guys, so this is Rainforest Cafe. It's got some super cool stuff. One of my favorite places in Orlando, Florida. But I haven't been there. Well, we went 2 years ago to Disney Springs, but we didn't go to the Rainforest Cafe, so we're gonna go check it out and have a meal tonight, and I'll give you guys a review of the food. And it's not the same as Orlando when you're in Disney, but I'll take what I can get. Alright guys, so I'm just sitting and chilling in between all the stuff I've been doing today, getting a little massage. No, not really. But I'm going to go in and film some the Rainforest Cafe inside. So time to go in. Reservation 7:15. guys, so here's the menu. See if I can do this. So these are the appetizers.
Here's me. Here's me.
There's some of the drinks they have. Volcano dessert. There it is. Alright guys, we got fish and chips. Looks amazing. French fries, coleslaw. Chicken tenders, fries, coleslaw. Same thing over there. Those tenders look good. That fish is legit, pretty big. Tartar sauce. Here we go, guys. Tartar fish.
Thank you so much.
Look at this. Pretty big.
Mashed potatoes. Look at this guy.
Wow. That's great.
Look at them mashed potatoes, skins on. That's a big old bowl.
Alright, so coleslaw.
Thank you. Did you want more after
Alright, there it is. Pretty good. Maybe I have to get some for my fish. Thank you. Alright guys, so meal was fantastic. Food was warm, good service. It came to 83 bucks for the three of us. Not too bad, honestly. You're paying for the entertainment around here, the visual stuff. So it's a cool restaurant, good food. I was very pleased with it. So, good experience. I was not expecting the food to be that great, more generic, you know. But I was pretty impressed with the fish and chips. The chicken strips were awesome, they were meaty, warm. So, it's a good opportunity to come here and check it out, guys. All right, peace out. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. And remember, continue to wander. We'll do the same. Good night, everybody.